are different. So to resolve this problem, we are talking about some basic rules regarding to the addition of integers. So first of all, we will see some examples. Okay, what is the actually law or what is the rule, and accordingly we will start towards the next point. So let's see addition. So while we are adding any integer or while we are adding any number, so we have to think about signs also, and according to the sign we have to make an operation in that case. Suppose the first condition is like that, both are pos means pos positive and eg means negative, just keep in mind. So if all the positive numbers are there, so first also positive, second also positive, so your answer is always positive. So we have to keep in mind all the terms are positive, then answer is positive. Similarly, all the terms are negative, then your answer is also negative. Okay, p plus p is equal to p, n plus n is equal to n. So similarly, take example, this is plus 4 plus 8. Okay, so if you added this, then we get a plus 12. Similarly, negative negative, you get a answer is also negative. So take example, minus 6 is a negative term, minus 3 is also second negative term, and we are adding this equation. So obviously we know that, so minus minus, okay, which is in both the terms, so your answer is also minus. So take a minus common, so you're right, like minus common, then add remaining terms, so your answer is minus 9. So in this case, keep in mind, if a same signs are there, then operation is we have to add the terms. Even in the case of negative negative, so take a sign common and add these two numbers. So in this case, minus is a common sign, and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So likewise, we have to solve this. Similarly, if the signs are different, take example, one number is positive, another one number is negative. So what we have to keep in mind, if a different signs are there, okay, so different signs are there, then we have to subtract these two numbers. Though the operation is addition, so we have to subtract these two numbers and use a sign of larger number. So we have to keep in mind, always we have to use the sign of larger number. Take example, so 12 minus 7, 12 plus of minus 7. If you want to simplify like this, then also just to make sure this is a bracket, and we are solving this bracket. So as per the previous case, what I say, if the signs are different, then take a subtraction. Okay, so subtraction means what? So we have to subtract this 12 and 7. So 12 minus 7. What is answer? 5. And we have to give the sign of bigger term. If you observe, this is bigger as compared to the 7. So you have to write a sign of a positive one. So your answer is plus 5. So likewise, we have to solve the question. Take example similarly, 10 and minus 14. So here, let's consider this is negative number, this is positive number. Okay, and we have to operate this, means we have to subtract, sorry, we have to add this number. So first one which is a positive, second one which is a negative, and we have to add these two numbers. So definitely, as per the previous case, what we have to do, simply subtract these two numbers means what? 10 minus 14. So likewise, we have to subtract this 10 minus 14, but 10, no, we unable to subtract 10 from 14. So likewise, what we have to do? We have to take a simply subtraction of these two numbers. Just take example, 14 is a bigger, so subtract 10 from 14. So your answer is 4. And similarly, put a sign of bigger. So here 14 is a bigger term, so write a sign minus 4. Clear? So likewise, we have to solve. Similarly, there are various types of examples that we are solving in the next page. So likewise, we have to solve some example which has a one is positive number and another one which is negative number. Similarly, let's consider this is a one number is negative, another one number is positive. Same process that we have to apply over here. And always keep in mind if our signs are different, then take a subtraction of these numbers and give or put a sign of a larger value or larger number. So here simply just minus 13 plus 16. Though we are adding these two numbers, see the signs are different, so simply take a subtraction. 16 minus 13. So your answer is 3. And what is our main logic? Use a sign of bigger number. Use a sign of bigger number, and here the 16 plus 16 is your bigger term. So write down here plus 3. So plus 3 is the correct answer. Just like this one, solve second question, which is a minus 9 and plus 7. So let's see, 9 is a bigger term and 7 which is a smaller term. So what we have to do, as per the previous one, take a simply subtraction. 9 minus 7. Okay, 9 minus 7, your answer is 2. Now look into that, which has or which number is the bigger one. See, 9 or the 9 is a bigger term as compared to the 7. So use the sign of 9. So write down here, your answer is minus 2. So likewise, we have to follow this table to solve the examples.